We got 1594 XN&W. It's a Norfolk Southern cab, and that's the rest of it. That's what it used to look like, and this is its cab right here. There you go. We can go inside.
What?
Alright, here's inside the cab of 1594. Wow. Alright, we got some parts. Of course, the very awesome stuff.
Imagine sitting in this thing for a while.
Yeah. Can't even see out the front except right there. It's a high hood, so it would be hard to see out of. And there's the
Sitting at these controls for a while. Well, look at, see, all this high voltage is sitting right behind you.
yeah.
It's not good.
Yeah.
Wow. Electromagnetic.
Alright. There she is, 1594. And here's the cab of a N&W J-Class right here.